Okay, we're live. Hi.
Hi, everyone. This is the check-in meeting for the Robot in a Weekend Challenge that's being held in British Columbia. And everybody is working on robots to play Ultimate Game, which most of them found out about this morning. So it was a lot of fun hearing about the game. Most of our robot builders are actually alumni from British Columbia. We do have one first UVic engineering student who has joined. He's part of our volunteer crew, and he thought it sounded like fun to build a robot, so he joined us too.
Cool.
So maybe I'll let each of you go around and just introduce yourself. If you want, you can say what team you're from or why you want to build a robot this weekend or something.
Go for it,
Let's
Kat.
start with Simon.
Oh, me.
Alright.
Okay. Me?
Yep.
Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Simon. I'm a alumni of Team 11589 Fusion. Well, I wanted to make a robot just because, it seemed like fun to do it again. It's been a while, so, it'll probably be a good challenge to do it in 2 days, and I think it'll be fun. Yeah.
Okay, how about Duncan?
I'm Duncan. I'm an alumni from 3491 Fix It. Just lives and breathes robots, and it's been weird having so many robots around the house and not building any. So yeah, it's been a while since I've actually got to build a robot for a game. So yeah.
Okay, Kyle.
Yeah, I'm Kyle. I'm an alumni of now gone Team 245 RCXRM, and I'm excited to build a robot both because I do refereeing and inspection for BC tournaments, so it's great to know what's current for robots, but also just because robots are fun and I want to build robots. I'll be honest, that's the main reason.
Okay, I'm going to put Alec on the spot.
Yeah, I'm Alec. I'm an alumni from FTC Team 3491 Fix It. I'm not actually building a robot, so I'm not sure what I'm supposed to say at this point, but I provided Simon with the robot kit, so there's my assist, I think.
Thank you, Alex.
Besides, if they have programming questions, you're here. Okay, Jeremy.
Hi, I'm Jeremy. I volunteered for a tournament last year. I've never actually built a robot or done anything like this, so I'm kind of doing it because it's new and I enjoy challenges. Plus, I do enjoy robots in general, but not much experience.
It's Kath.
So I'm Kath. I'm alumni of 3491 Fix It, one of the oldest alumni in the group. And I used to do summer camps where I would both teach and make robots in a day for practice. And it's nice to kind of get to do that challenge again. It's a bit different with it being a full FTC challenge and there being many things to think about in terms of scoring. So trying to think through the bit of the strategy and what can be functionally done in 2 days.
Okay, so we are going to be running matches tomorrow afternoon, probably between 2 and 3 o'clock on Sunday, September 13th. So everybody now has less than 24 hours to get their robots finished. We're going to start by doing a check-in. We'll probably just keep more or less the same sequence, and Alec is welcome to drop out of it. And so just roughly, what are you designing your robot? What's the drive system? Have you picked the mechanism? Anything like that? Also, does your robot have a name?
I'll be back in a second. Someone else go
that's
before
helpful.
me.
I was about to say Simon.
Yeah, someone else go before me.
Okay, Kath, I think you're up.
Oh, okay. I can go first.
We'll do reverse order.
That's fine. So I am doing a 45 Omni wheel design for my robot base, and I actually have the chassis ready. So I'll try and get it in frame. Hopefully you can kind of see the base there. Relatively intentionally, I have a 12-inch width on one side, and I haven't measured the width on the other side. I'm guessing it's going to be close to the 18 inches square cube that we have to fit inside. The reason I wanted a 12-inch side on one side is because I'm expecting to have an arm overreaching, and I'm busy double checking the numbers because I want the arm to be able to lift over the field perimeter wall. And that way I can simplify an arm for lifting the wobble over into the drop zone. Strategy-wise, I'm looking at trying to deal with the wobble and the preloaded rings mostly. Not sure where that's going to go yet. I'm using the Robotics kit, which is not designed for quick builds. It is designed for pre-thought through plans that have been drawn in CAD or by hand, because it needs a lot of cutting and fitting pieces together. So I am jury rigging some stuff, and this is a robot that needs to last through an hour of gameplay. Therefore, it doesn't need to hold up to a ton of stress and strain. Yeah, I still got a lot to do because I only have the wheelbase set up currently. Does anyone have any questions about my thought process or anything?
Are you planning to score all your points in autonomous if you're using the preloaded block?
So the preloaded rings, I was actually going to wait for end game and score them on the wobble. Because then they're worth 5 points each.
They're worth 12 points if you could shoot them in the top goal in autonomous.
That is a very justifiable point. Possibly, we'll see. A shooting mechanism is a mechanism I have not thought through yet. Let's phrase it that way. But I'm sure there'll be lots of ideas tonight. And I mean, they're round rings. They can't be that much different than balls to shoot, hopefully.
Did you actually name your robot, Kath?
I have not named my robot yet.
Okay. Part of this is like for tomorrow, if we're going to keep track of points and stuff, we can't, I guess we could give you guys dummy team numbers, but it might be better to just name the robots and use that to track scoring.
I'll come up with something for a name.
Okay.
But I don't have it yet.
Okay. Jeremy, do you want to watch a few other people first, or do you feel like you want to talk?
No, I can walk through what I've been thinking about. I was trying to design a mechanism that's based off of the Hot Wheels launcher. So you just have two opposing wheels that will fling the ring. I realized, though, that the DC motors I have are not fast enough to impart the momentum I need to get any kind of distance. So at the moment, I'm going to try and score some points in autonomous mode. I should be able to push the wobble back and forth. And yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Okay. Did you want a faster motor?
I mean, if you have two faster motors, I can definitely try and see if I can get that mechanism to work. It'd be interesting to see, but